Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thanks for being here today with me. My name is Kubrina Zahra, and today I will present this article with the title Using Word Wall in Teaching English Vocabulary and its Impact on the Students' Vocabulary Achievement. So this is about article with the title Using Word Wall in Teaching English Vocabulary and its Impact on Students' Vocabulary Achievement with the author Wahyu and Claudia. This is the table of content that I will present to you. The first one is about introduction, and the second one literature review of the study, and this methodology of this research, and also results and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, the first one, I will tell you about the introduction of this study with the significance of vocabulary in language acquisition and technique, and then the second one is how a rich vocabulary enhance communication skills and comprehension skill in English, and the third one is the concept of word wall as an innovative teaching aid for vocabulary instruction. Vocabulary plays a critical role in language acquisition. It's the foundation upon which learners build their skill in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. A rich vocabulary not only facilitates effective communication, but also enhances comprehension abilities. As the article notes, students with limited vocabulary face significant challenges in understanding text and expressing their thoughts. And therefore, innovative teaching strategies is essential to foster vocabulary development. The role of vocabulary in language teaching cannot be overstated. As noted in this research, many students struggle with limited vocabulary that hinders their communication skill. To address this challenge, teachers are encouraged to employ engaging methods that stimulate active learning. And one such strategy introduced in this research is the use of word wall, as I put in this PPT, an interactive teaching tool that engages students in the learning process. The second one is about research objective of this study. Actually, the primary aims of the study to determine the impact of using word wall on student vocabulary achievement, and also the need for effective methods to improve vocabulary retention among students. The primary aim of the study is to investigate, as I said before, and to assess the impact of using word wall on student vocabulary achievement. And I found this research is motivated by the observed need in classroom, where students often demonstrate limited vocabulary and also low engagement. I think when we apply supportive teaching like word wall, the goal is to enhance vocabulary learning and address existing learning barriers in public senior high school in West Surabaya. So, next I will tell you about the literature review of this study. I will explain what is vocabulary. This article defines vocabulary and its important is mastering language skill, like listening, speaking, reading, and also writing. Vocabulary encompasses the word used in both spoken and written context, also essential for every aspect of language learning. According to the article and supported by experts like Tom Green in 2002, vocabulary is crucial for conveying meaning. This underscores the need for effective vocabulary instruction to achieve fluency in English. And the second one, the role of word wall in language learning, which is the comprehensive overview of how word wall serve as instructive learning platform, and also tell the previous research indicating the effectiveness of instructive tools in improving vocabulary acquisition. As we know, that definition of word wall are interactive learning platform designed to visually display vocabulary. The researchers highlight that using word wall promotes active learning and also help students connect words with meaning. I also mentioned about the previous research. Previous research shows that word wall are effective for improving vocabulary, and according to Braham in 2001 explained that frequent exposure to keywords helps students remember and use them. Okay, the next is about challenges in vocabulary learning. I highlight 2 points. The first one is common issues faced by students and how specific teaching strategies. The article outlines several challenges faced by students such as language barriers and limited vocabulary knowledge. Let's say many students in English classes tend to be passive learners due to their vocabulary limitation, right? So that when integrating innovative teaching strategies like word wall, educators can address these challenges and also enabling students to become more active participants in their language learning journey. The next one, I will tell about the methodology of this research, and with the first one is research design of the study. So the study using quasi-experimental design, comparing an experimental group using word wall to a control group with traditional methods. This study using quasi-experimental design to comparing an experimental group taught using word wall against a control group that utilized traditional teaching methods, and this design is related in assessing the effectiveness of the word wall platform in enhanced vocabulary learning. About the participants of this study, the population is 10 grade students at a public senior high school, and with the sampling method using cluster random sampling. The participants consist of 10 grade students in a public senior high school in West Surabaya, with the 66 students selected through cluster random sampling. For this research, this ensured a fair representation of the students' population and a more reliable outcome. The next one is data collection instrument. To measure vocabulary achievement, the researchers utilized a vocabulary test before and after the treatment, and includes detail of the pre-test and post-test design, and also how the word wall activities were integrated into the lesson plans. The study also emphasized that during the intervention, students actively engaged with the word wall activities with aim to enhance their vocabulary retention and understanding. Okay, the next one is research. So what is the result of the study? First one is there is this presentation of findings with provides statistical results showing the differences in pre-test and post-test score for both experimental and control group. So this is the table of the pre-test and post-test with the key finding with the experimental group, which means the pre-test means that 72.12, and then the post-test means that the 90.73. With the control group, the pre-test means the 71, 76, and also the post-test means that 84. And the research indicates a significant improvement in vocabulary score among the students who participates in the word wall activities. In contrast, the control group tell a smaller improvement in scores, demonstrating the effectiveness of the word wall methods in enhanced vocabulary achievement. Okay, the next one is about the statistical analysis. The statistical method used t-test to analyze the significance of the result. the test result of 2.51 compared to the table value of 1.99773. The researchers conduct statistical analysis using t-test, and which further highlight the effectiveness of the WordWall platform. Okay, the next one is discussion. The first one is interpretation of the research. The overall impact of WordWall on vocabulary achievement, considering both qualitative and quantitative perspective. Literally, the study reveals that the implementation of WordWall activities positively influence students' vocabulary acquisition, and the active engagement and various interactive methods employed through WordWall contribute to better retention and understanding of vocabulary. And this aligns with the existing literature on the importance of interactive learning tools in education. The second one is the implication for teaching practice. The findings suggest that teachers should integrate WordWall into their vocabulary teaching strategies, and by creating interactive learning environment, educators can motivate students to participate actively and thus effectively addressing vocabulary-related challenges. And these methods not only enhance vocabulary learning but also fosters a more engaging classroom atmosphere. So, I will tell you the last one is about the conclusion of the study. The first one is key takeaway. I conclude that this research conclude that in summary, the study clearly highlight the positive impact of utilizing WordWall in vocabulary instruction, and also the use of WordWall as a teaching medium has a significant positive impact on the vocabulary achievement on 10 grades at the studies school. This finding emphasizes the importance of adopting innovative teaching strategies in language education to overcome common learning obstacles. So the next one is recommendation. So what is the recommendation for future research? Finally, the article encouraged for the research to explore the long-term effect of vocabulary instruction methods such as WordWall and student learning. Educators should consider adopting WordWall as regular part of their vocabulary teaching strategy, as it not only makes learning more dynamic but also addresses the common challenges that students face with vocabulary, and additionally comparisons with other teaching strategies and provide deeper insight into effective vocabulary acquisition technique. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. But before that, I will tell again that the vocabulary. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if I had any mistake. Thank you for your participation and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.